Hello friends, myself Sandeep N. Palle, Department of Mechanical Engineering, MUP Samajas, KBT College of Engineering, Nasik. Today's topic is numerical on flat belt. So we'll see the numerical based on flat belt. The first numerical is a pulley of 1000 mm diameter is driven by an open type flat belt from 25 kW 1440 rpm electric motor. The pulley on the motor shaft is 250 mm in diameter and the center distance between the two shafts is 2 meter. The allowable tensile stress for the belt material is 2 Newton per mm square and the coefficient of friction between belt and pulley is 0.28. The density of belt material is 900 kg per meter cube. The width of the belt is 125 mm. Determine first the thickness of belt, second the length of belt, and third the initial tension required in the belt. First of all, we'll write down the given data. Type of die is open type. Diameter of larger pulley 1000 mm. Power to be transmitted 25 kilowatt, 25 into 10 to 3 watt. Speed of D1 pulley 1440 rpm. Diameter of smaller pulley 250 mm. Center distance x 2000 mm. Stress 2 Newton per mm square. Coefficient of friction 0.28. Density of belt material 900 kg per meter cube and belt width B equal to 125 mm. To find out thickness of belt T, length of belt L and initial tension required in the belt T0. First of all, we'll see the thickness of belt T. For that, we require the velocity of belt. The velocity of belt Vb is equal to pi d2 n2 upon 60 into 1000. The value of d2 is 250, n2 1440. So we'll get the velocity of belt 18.85 meters per second as we have taken the 1000 here. So it is in meters per second. Second point, power to be transmitted. Power to be transmitted is given by P is equal to T1 minus T2 into velocity. Difference in belt tension into velocity. P is equal to 25 into 10 raised to 3 T1 minus T2 into 18.85 meters per second. So we'll get the relation T1 minus T2 equal to 1326.26 Newton. Equation A. Third point, angle of contact on smaller pulley. For angle of contact, we require the value of angle alpha. So sin alpha is equal to R1 minus R2 upon X or D1 minus D2 upon 2X. So 1000 minus 250 upon 2 into 2000. So alpha is equal to 10.80 degrees or 0.186 radian. For open belt drive, angle of contact theta s is given by pi minus 2 alpha. So pi minus 2 into 0.186. So theta s is equal to 2.7644 radian. The next point is limiting tension ratio, that is T1 upon T2 is equal to e raised to mu theta. The value of mu is 0.28 and theta is 2.7644. With this we can get the ratio 2.1685. So T1 is equal to 2.1685 into T2 Newton. Equation number B. So by using these two equations, we can get the value of tension on tight side T1 and on slack side T2. So we'll put the equation B in equation A. T1 minus T2 is equal to 1326.26. By putting the value of T1 2.1685 into T2 minus T2 is equal to 1326.26. We'll get the value of T2 1135.01 Newton and T1 2.1685 into T2, that is 1135.01. So T1 is equal to 2461.27 Newton. Now we'll calculate the centrifugal tension Tc. Tc is equal to m into Vb square, mass into velocity. Mass is nothing but mass density into volume into velocity square. Density is equal to rho and volume is B into T into L1. So rho into B upon 1000 into T upon 1000 into 1 into Vb square. Here we have the value of B in mm, so we have divided 1000 will be converted into meter. Similarly for T, rho already in kg per meter cube and velocity meter per second. So rho is 900, B is 125 divided by 1000, T unknown divided by 1000 and into 1 into 18.85 square. So centrifugal tension is equal to 39.9738 into T Newton. So Tc is in terms of thickness. Now we know the tension due to friction and tension due to centrifugal force. So the total tension on tight side will be T is equal to T1 plus Tc, 2461.27 plus 39.9738 into T. We also know the maximum tensile stress in the belt sigma T, which is given by sigma T equal to T upon cross sectional area B into T. So sigma T is 2, total tension 2461.27 plus 39.9738 into T divided by width is 125 into thickness. So 125 into T multiplied by 2, 250 T, 2461.27 plus 39.9738 T. From that we can get the value of T is equal to 11.75 mm. This is the first answer, that is the thickness of belt. Second, length of belt L is equal to pi by 2 d1 plus d2 plus 2x plus d1 minus d2 bracket square upon 4x. So L is equal to pi d1 1000 plus 250 divided by 2 plus 2 into x 2000 plus 1000 minus 250 bracket square divided by 4 into x 2000. So we can get the value of length L is equal to 6033.81, nearly equal to 6034 mm. The second answer. And third, initial tension in the belt T0. We know the centrifugal tension in terms of T, 39.9738 into T. We can put the value of T here, 11.75, and we will get centrifugal tension 469.69 Newton. So the initial tension in the belt T0 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus 2 times Tc upon 2. So we'll put all the values of T1, T2 and Tc. We will get the initial tension T0 is equal to 2267.83 Newton. This is the third answer. The second numerical is an electric motor running at 1000 rpm is used to drive a motor rotating at 500 rpm. A cross belt drive is used to transmit the power of 6.5 kW. The belt speed is approximately 12 meters per second. The two shafts are located at 1500 mm apart. The coefficient of friction between belt and pulley is 0.28. The permissible tensile stress for the belt metal is 1.8 Newton per m square and the density of the belt metal is 950 kg per meter cube. If the thickness of belt is 6 mm, determine diameters of pulley, width of belt, length of belt and initial tension required in the belt. First of all, we will write the given data. Type of drive is cross type. Power 6500 watt. N1 1000 rpm. N2 500 rpm. Belt velocity 12 meter per second. Center distance 1500 mm. Sigma T 1.8 Newton per m square. Mu 0.28. Rho 950 kg per meter cube and T is equal to 6 mm. We have to find out D1, D2, B, L and T0. The first one is diameter of pulley. In that, first of all, we calculate the velocity of belt VB is equal to pi D1 N1 upon 60 into 1000. So the velocity of belt is given 12 and N1 is 1000. So we can get the value of D1 as 229.30, so nearly equal to 230 mm. By using speed ratio N2 upon N1 is equal to D1 upon D2, we can find out the value of D2. So 500 upon 1000 is equal to 230 upon D2, that is 460 mm. So these are the diameter of pulley. Now second, width of belt. Now we will calculate the actual speed of belt depending on the new diameter of pulley. So pi D1 N1 upon 60 into 1000. So we can put the value of D1 equal to 230 here. We get velocity 12.04 meters per second. Next point is power to be transmitted. P is equal to T1 minus T2 into VB. Power is 6500. T1 minus T2 into 12.04. That is the new velocity. That is the actual one. So T1 minus T2 equal to 539.87 Newton. Question number A. Again we will calculate the angle of contact theta s. Now here the belt drive is a cross drive. So sin alpha is equal to R1 plus R2 upon X or D1 plus D2 upon 2X. 460 plus 230 upon 2 into 1500, that is X. So we will get alpha equal to 13.2971 degrees or 0.2321 radian. Also for cross belt drive, theta s is equal to pi plus 2 alpha. So pi plus 2, 0.2321. So we will get theta s is equal to 3.6058 radian. Limiting tension ratio T1 upon T2 is equal to e raised to mu theta. Mu is 0.28, theta is 3.6058. So we will get 2.7446. T1 is equal to 2.7446 into T2 Newton. Equation number B. Now put the equation B in equation A. We can calculate the value. T1 309.45 and T2 309.45 and T1 849.32 Newton. Next point is centrifugal tension. Tc is equal to m into Vb square. Mass is equal to density into volume into Vb square. Density rho into volume B into T into 1, third dimension. So it is a Vb square into Vb square. 950 into B is unknown divided by 1000 into 6 thickness of the belt divided by 1000 into 1 into 12.04 bracket square, that is velocity. So we'll get centrifugal tension in terms of B 0.8263 B. The total tension on the tight side will be equal to T1 plus Tc. So maximum tensile stress in the belt sigma T is given by sigma T is equal to T upon B into T. By solving this equation we get B is equal to 85.5 mm. The length of the belt is L equal to pi by 2 D1 plus D2 plus 2x plus D1 plus D2 bracket square upon 4x. By putting all the value of D1, D2, x, we can get the value of L, that is 4164 mm. And finally the initial tension in the belt For that we require centrifugal tension. Tc is equal to 0.8263 into B. Putting the value of B, we'll get 70.65 Newton Tc. And initial tension T0 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus 2 Tc upon 2.